Hi everybody. I want to give you a big tip on subtraction. It can make every subtraction problem that you do much easier when it comes to integers. So let me start with the soup. Start with the soup. Now let's say I had positive 8 plus negative 4. So I think we pretty much get addition of integers. I've got 8 positive, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positives here in my soup. And I add in 4 negatives, 2, 3, 4. Those form 0 pairs, so I've got a 0 pair here, 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 and here, which means I have 1, 2, 3, 4 positives left. So my answer is positive 4, because I have 4 more positives than I do negatives. As a class, we pretty much understand adding integers. Subtraction is a little more tricky. But we can change every subtraction problem we do into an addition problem. So let's look at today's warm-up. 8 minus 5, well, that's easy. Sorry, 8 minus 3, that's obviously 5. We know that. 8 plus negative 3, using the idea of the soup, we know that's also 5. Now notice that the first number is the same, but we change subtraction to addition, and we add the opposite. Change subtraction to addition, add the opposite. Now you might look at 7 minus negative 4 as, I don't know what that is. 7 plus 4 you know is 11. I can change this problem to 7, keep the first number the same, change subtraction to addition, and take the opposite of the second number. So the opposite of negative 4 is 4. 6 minus 8, I don't know. Keep the first number the same, change the subtraction sign to an addition sign, and take the opposite of the second number. Both answers are negative 2. Negative 2. Oh, look at all those negatives. Negative 5 minus negative 8. I don't know. Keep the first number the same, change subtraction to addition, take the opposite of the second number. That's negative 5 plus 8. Well, since there's 3 more positives, just like I did on the soup, the answer is 3. Negative 3 minus 9. I'm not sure. I can't remember all the rules. Keep the first number the same, change subtraction to addition, take the opposite of the second number. So negative 3 plus negative 9, well that's negative 12, which I could show on my soup. As I take 3 negatives, put in another 9 negatives, I'm left with 12 negatives. So the trick here, instead of trying to remember which direction you move on a number line or any of that kind of stuff, just remember that you can change every subtraction problem into an addition problem. All you do is you add the opposite of the second number. So if I look at today's homework, here's an addition problem, negative 8 plus positive 6. If I think of that as my soup, I've got 8 cold cubes. I add in 6 hot cubes. That means I have 2 extra cold cubes. So my answer is negative 2. Negative 3 minus 6. That's kind of hard to wrap your head around. So keep the first number the same, change the subtraction to addition, and take the opposite of the second number. So the opposite of 6 is negative 6. I put it in parentheses so you can just tell that I'm not saying plus and then minus 6. Doesn't make sense. So negative 3 plus negative 6. Oh, I've got 3 cold cubes. I add another 6 cold cubes. That means I have 9 cold cubes. You can do this with every subtraction problem. Negative 8, keep the first number the same, change subtraction to addition, take the opposite of -2, which is +2. So I've got 8 cold cubes, I add 2 hot cubes, that means I've got 6 extra cold cubes. It's a great trick. It'll save you a lot of time if you start doing it and remember it.